will see how to get this decor done in a more simple and an easy way without much of a tying. Let's see. Hello everyone. Avi's birthday is on November 3rd and today is November 1st. So what I'm planning is a simple small decor for his birthday. And I'm going to show which region I have chosen for the decor. So I haven't still started with the decor part. So this is the region which is going to be for Avi's birthday decor. And basically it's a transformer theme, or I can say it's more of like a yellow and black theme. This is the one set which I've got, teardrops, and this retails for 1,000, but I got it for discount. I just put up all the links which I've got. So this basically has got two golden curtains, 15 confetti balloons, and then we have 50 black balloons, 50 sets of yellow balloons, balloon strips. Also comes with the glue, and I also got happy birthday banner, which also comes with a satin tape, cute little cake toppers. Now, how to blow the balloons. Since we need a lot of balloons out here to make a garland, so we cannot blow it through our mouth definitely. So we use a cycle pump like this. It did a pretty good job, but it did take a lot of effort and time. So we later switched to car tire inflator. You can see this that it's working beautifully well. So we could blow a lot of balloons in a less number of time here. When it comes to confetti balloons, a trick is to just add a little water, and then if you blow, the golden plates will stick beautifully into the balloons without much efforts. Now we have blown the balloon, and I'm going to show you like how I'm going to use this strip and how I'm going to actually make a balloon garland out of it. The strip basically looks like this. It has a small hole and a bigger hole. Now take the balloon and fit it to the bigger hole initially, and then move slowly to the smaller hole so that they are secure. So I started off with a black balloon, and then alternatively I went for yellow. So it was like this, yellow and then black, and make sure they are kept in the opposite direction so that you get that structure. So it looks like this, and I'm not sure about the length. So what I did was I did leave a little of the strip like this. So first I'm going to tie it up, and then I'm going to add the extra balloons that are needed. We tied the garland at the required height with the help of threads. We also tied the gold curtains later. And then I've taken a glue, and then I'm placing it on the balloons, and you can just stick it to the garland and fill the spaces so that the garland looks more fuller and in a beautiful structure. Yeah, meanwhile we're also checking the light here. And now it's time to fill in the gaps. I also did the same thing for the confetti balloons as well. And there goes a happy dancer. I kept the floral number here and also a message box, and I've also kept a balloon stand here so that it gives that corner a beautiful look. Ta-da! So that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel because this channel has got a lot of information for you. So for now, we are saying bye-bye and cherish every moment of your motherhood.